What is going on, guys? We are back. Your boys are back.
In the Corpus.
Yeah. We're playing an intense game of chess. Miles Arrett versus Jackson Bruni. And I am back, guys. I'm back. New series of videos is gonna start. So get hype. Let's get hype for the hype beast. Let's get hype. Okay, guys. So let's watch. Let's watch. Let's watch.
We've got a science test coming up on the 6th and 7th. It's
End the
open
chess
binder.
match.
So don't throw binder stuff away yet. After the test, then we'll clean out your binders a little bit. But it's open binder. What's it over?
I love you, Mr. Simon.
Baby girl.
Simon's my dad.
You already go.
Yeah, I just want.
Show the vlogger egg tissue.
It's gonna be dope. Okay, guys, so we got Jack. What are these little things called?
Pawns.
Moving the pawn up.
Dude, somebody tore out the letter.
This is Noah Ebert and Miles Arrett's project for their egg drop.
I tore out a page.
I think it looks pretty cool.
Miles. There you go.
What's that called?
Take a piece, boys.
What's that called, Miles?
Okay, great. Now I gotta.
You can't curse.
Now I gotta look up.
You face 500.
Dude, this is definitely the best.
Booty liquor 5,000. Dude, you actually cannot curse on my Christian Minecraft.
Yeah. Ink stick in it? Yeah. You get first bit of ink that sticks around.
You realize that? You're just, I don't even know. Oh, Jack is getting knocked out. Jack is gonna lose. Here we go. Oh, what's that called?
Did
I don't really
Brandon
know.
get Ryder yesterday?
I don't really know, just moved over here. Look at this, gotta get those camera angles. Gotta get those angles.
Your break is over at the conclusion.
Okay, guys, so that concludes it.
Did you know that? And then there were 9 years, so we
I'll
called
see you
10
guys
little
later.
Dicks.
Glad I'm back.
Yeah.
Love you guys.